Hi, Ken Hebert, the VP of Marketing for Bluebird Industries, and I am so excited to show you today why the Humpack 3000 is the game changer when it comes to machine and garage shop cleaning, or auto detailing, or cleaning your car in your garage. And we're going to show you today why it makes everything you want to clean easier, less time consuming, and more efficient than anything you've ever seen before. The Humpack 3000 combines powerful cleaning with a smart, space-saving design. With 3,000 PSI of pressure, a 50-foot auto-retractable hose, and a full set of premium accessories, it's built for both professionals and DIYers who demand nothing but the best. Setup is a breeze. The wall-mounted design keeps everything organized and ready to go. Just connect your water source, plug in the unit, and select the right nozzle for your task. For cars, we recommend the 40-degree spray tip for gentle, effective cleaning. Next, attach the included foam cannon. This accessory delivers a thick layer of suds, helping lift away stubborn grime without scratching your paint. For extra dirty spots, use a soft mitt or a cloth to agitate the surface. Then, switch back to the 40-degree nozzle and rinse thoroughly from top to bottom. The Humpack's consistent pressure and easy maneuverability makes rinsing quick and efficient. In just a few minutes, your car is sparkling clean, thanks to the Humpack 3000.